Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can back up the Google Authenticator two-factor authentication passcode. So the first thing you want to do is go back to your home screen. Now, in order for you to perform a backup of the Authenticator, you need to have another mobile device. So here I have a Samsung Galaxy S8. You need to go into the Play Store and install Google Authenticator. Once you have installed Google Authenticator, tap on Open, and then on the other device, so on the original device, you want to also open up the Authenticator app, and then tap on the menu key at the top or the More button, and then tap on Transfer Accounts, and then tap on Export Accounts. Now we need to put in the PIN, and here select what you want to back up. So in this case, I'm going to back up everything, and then tap on the Next button. Here it will generate the QR code. So on my other device, I'm going to tap on Get Started, and I'm going to tap on Scan a QR code. But instead of doing that, we can tap on Import Existing Account, and then tap on Scan QR code. You can see there's a massive QR code over here, and then we need to scan it. Now once you scan it, it will import into this device, and you can see here now, even if I already have on this new account or on the new device, on my old device is still working all right. So you can see here the both working. As you can see, this one seems to be a little bit behind, a little bit of a delay on this backup device here. So you still can use both devices at the same time. So if you lose this device, then you got the backup device that you still can access your Google Authenticator. And that's how you can perform a backup. Another way to do a backup is to, if you want to backup on the same device, you can also, on the Samsung Galaxy phone, there is a secure folder. So what you can do is you can go into secure folder, and you can also install a copy of the Authenticator. And in here, again, you can also import into your Google Authenticator in the secure folder. But it's not really good to have a backup in the secure folder, because if you lose this device, then basically you lose the whole thing. So you want to backup on a separate device. And that's it. So that's how you can back up your Google Authenticator. And yeah, it's quite straightforward using the transfer process to transfer your account onto another device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.